Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be taking what we've been working on all week and putting it together, sort of like what we were doing yesterday. Some of you turn in your books to page 388. 388, is everybody there? Shanahan, can you read us the first example there where it starts with money? No? Go ahead, Justin.
A group of friends are going to the movie. Each friend must pay they should cost them $9. Number one.
Okay, that's fine. Just stop right there. Okay, so we're talking about going to the movies, and every person that's going has to pay $9 for their ticket, correct? Okay, so the first thing it asks us to do is to complete a table and graph the ordered pairs. Now, we have been doing our function tables with three parts, right? We have our input, our output, and in the middle we have our function. Yes, ma'am? Predation. Yes, ma'am? Okay. Now, all you have to do, you're going to have your input and your output, okay? And then we can also, then we can do our function later, okay? Because this is just asking us for the table. It doesn't ask us to actually write out each function over and over again, okay? So, first it says that we have to complete the table. So if we're going to start off and say one friend, how much does it say it costs for one ticket? So for one person to go, $9. Okay, so for two people to go, how much would it be, Paris? 18, thank you. And for three, Devion? For three people to go to the movies. Okay. And for four, Joshua? Huh? 36. Okay, so what were we doing when we were figuring this out? What was our equation that we were using? What was our equation, Dan? Huh? Okay, n times 9, 9n. Now, if we want to label our graph over here, our chart, what would we label this side? What would we label the input side? I'm talking about in words. What would we label it? Dylan? Okay. I'm talking about based on the data that we're collecting. The data we're collecting, what will we call it? What do these represent? The number of friends. Okay? So we have the number of friends. What does this side represent? Just the money or cost of ticket, the cost of them to go, so or you could just put total cost. So if we're calling these are representing our friends, and these are representing the total cost, what variable might we use instead of n? Dylan? If we're talking about friends and cost. Okay, you'd probably want to use something like F. That way it makes sense to the problem. And you'd set it equal to, what, Garrett? 9F would equal what? What variable would you want to use to represent your total cost? What variable would you want to use? T to represent total cost. Or maybe C. You could also use C. That's correct. Okay. They can't see it. You're multiplying by 9 because 9 is the cost of the ticket for them to go. Well, but see what it's saying is you could plug any amount of friends. If you were going to have 20 friends go, all you have to do is use this and you would know how much it was going to cost if all of you were going to go. You understand?
Are you saying that is for having the free ticket?
9 is for the cost per ticket. One ticket to go costs $9.
$9 per free.
It's going to cost you $9 per friend again.
Read the chart again. Read what it says in the book. A group of friends. Read that to yourself.
You have your friends that are going.
4 free.
And then this is how much it's going to cost if just one friend goes, if 2 friends goes, if 3 friends are going, or 4 friends are going. Yes, sir. It does label them. That's fine. I'm just saying that this is a way that you can label it. Because whenever you're working with, especially word problems, if you label it with something that makes sense to what it's talking about, you're not going to get as confused whenever you're writing out the equation and trying to figure out what it is you're supposed to plug in there. Yes, Colby?
I just always write X for input and Y for output.
Okay. All right. So now, yes, do you have another question, Danielle? Say that again. The output's here. That's your output, which would be your T. F is your input. That's right. F is your input. This is the same thing we've been doing, except I just made the chart a little bit smaller, right? We took out that big middle chunk. Right? That way you don't have to write as much. Okay. All right, so now the next thing that it asks us to do is to graph. What's it say exactly? You can read that for me. Okay, now you have to graph the ordered pairs. How do we know what the ordered pairs are, Mario?
Because the ordered pairs
the input and your output, because like Dylan was saying earlier, your input is like your X value and your output is like your Y value. That's what you're saying earlier. So now you're just going to make your ordered pairs. Okay, so what is your first ordered pair going to be? Purple group. 1, 9. 1, 9. Okay, second one. Yellow. 2 and 18. 2 and 18. Third one, over here in orange. 327. 327. And your fourth ordered pair of blue. 436. Now, go ahead and graph your ordered pairs and keep this in mind when you're graphing.